Hello everyone and welcome to another video. In this video I'll be showing you how you can download and play Fortnite on PC. So what you actually do is basically go to any browser and type in Fortnite. Then go to the first site, which is the official site of Epic Games, and there on the top right corner you can see download and you can choose in which platform you want to play in. I will choose PC and it will ask you to sign up. But if you already have an account, you can simply go with Facebook, Google, PlayStation, Xbox or Nintendo. Or if you don't have, you can just sign up over here. Since I already have an Epic Games account, I'll just sign up and Epic will sign in and redirect it. And the download will start over here. It'll take about a minute or so depending on your internet. So be patient and wait for it to download. Once the downloading is finished, just click over here and a pop-up will appear on your screen. I'll leave this as it is and click install and I'll click yes. After that you can close your browser as you don't need it anymore. After downloading, it will directly open Epic Games Launcher and start downloading it, which will take a couple of minutes, so you'll have to wait. After the downloading finishes, it will ask you if you want to allow this app to make changes to your device. You have to click on yes. Then open Epic Games Launcher and it will again ask you to sign up. After filling in your details, click login now. After signing in, it will show you Fortnite's end user license agreement. You can either read the whole agreement or just click on I have read and agreed and click accept. Then it will ask to choose install location. I'll leave it as it is and click on install. After that, again, it will ask you to allow this app to make changes to your device. Again, click yes. And after that, it will take you to this page, which is somehow similar to Steam version of the Epic Games. Then you can go to library and there Fortnite has already started installing in your computer. Then you can see the download progress. Fortnite is of 36.8 GB, which is a lot, so it'll take time installing it. Users have to keep calm and wait for it to download. And after it is downloaded, you can simply click on Fortnite and it'll take you directly to the game. That's all for this video. Hope you guys liked this video, and if you did, please make sure to like this video and subscribe.